Alright, so it's about to be fall. People are going to want to grow grass, and they're going to go out. They're going to buy these for like 30 bucks. That's garbage. I'm going to buy these things with the spike. I think this is also like 25 bucks. It's also garbage. Do not use that shit. I'm going to show you right now. This is it right here. These are like Rainbird 32, whatever the fuck, so you can read it. I don't give a shit. This is just a black pipe with a fitting on it. Black pipe with a fitting to go to a hose. You can literally just put a hose in between here. I have mine stretched out at the exact amount. This goes on a 360, that goes on a 360. So that covers that whole area, and the overlap in the middle is perfect with how long this line is. I also have one of these fittings on the other side. Obviously, on Amazon, you have to buy the tips that go into the ground to get the hose to put this in. But these are like 25 bucks, and these are like 15 bucks. And you just hook your hose up to it. And then it'll cover that, and it'll cover this. And then I gotta put one right there because I'm just tired of moving it. I usually just pull that out and then put the single right here, but I'm gonna add a third to it, and then I'll show you it right now. And there you go. Just gonna splash me with fucking water, and that one's gonna do that side. Get out of the way here because I have to spray the garden as well. Even though the garden is my wife's shit, but yeah, that one's gonna cover there and then cut it off right here. That one's gonna go over there, and then they overlap over here. And the third one I add will be over there to cover all this shit. But yeah, cheap as hell. If you want, you can just leave it. If your front yard is shorter, you can literally just take that and run them across the ground so you never have to take them out. And just put them right there, and then make them do a 180 along your property. But I water it, and then I take these out and put them on the side. But for around 45 bucks all in, it's just so much better off than doing that shit with the fucking thing that floats up in the air, and then you have to worry about the tree branches, or that thing that sprays like this that you have to plop in one spot and then move it to the next spot, and then it takes you an hour and a half to water your lawn. You can literally just, I mean, if you want to run it along the side of your house and just leave it there, you know, you can just run it into a timer, and then you can have automatic timer, and you don't have to do anything. But that's the best, cheapest DIY lawn sprinkler system that you'll ever get.